Hello everyone, myself Vashmi, studying in 7th class. Today we are discussing the topic of kinematics from the subject of physics. Okay, what are kinematics? In kinematics we have mechanics. In mechanics are divided into three types: statics, dynamics and kinematics. Mechanics are divided into three types: statics, dynamics and kinematics. What are statics? Statics means which deals with the resting bodies. Okay, what are dynamics? Dynamics means which deals with the cause of motion of the objects. Examples: force. In dynamics we have examples: force. What is force? A push or pull is called force. What are kinematics? Kinematics means which deals with the motion of objects only without considering the cause of motion. And our next topic is speed. In kinematics we have speed. We will discuss speed now. What is the formula of speed? Speed is equals to distance by time. Okay, let us read first. Speed is equals to distance by time. Okay, why I wrote here scalar quantity? What is scalar quantity? In quantities we have two types: scalar and vector quantities. Okay, what are those? Scalar quantity means which have only magnitude, which doesn't have direction. Examples: time and speed. And what is vector quantity? Vector quantity means both. It have both quantities. Means it has both, means magnitude and direction, both it have. Examples: acceleration and velocity. Now I told you, scalar means it have time and speed. Now we are discussing speed. So it is a scalar quantity. In CGS unit, what is the unit in CGS of speed? Centimeter per second. And what is it? MKS and SI units? Meter per second. In speed we have two types: uniform and non-uniform speed. What is uniform speed? Uniform speed means, here see, 2 meter per second, 2 meter per second, 2 meter per second. Here 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. Time is 1 second and meter per second. And the distance and the time is same. See, for example, this is a highway and this is a normal road. Okay, here is full of traffic road. Okay, highway is full empty, no vehicles, nothing. Then here also he is going slowly only, 2 meter per second. And on the traffic road also he is going like that only, slowly, 2 meter per second. This is called a uniform speed. But non-uniform speed, what is non-uniform speed? This is a highway, no. On highway he is going fastly, means 2 meter per second, 3 meter per second, 4 meter per second. On the road he is going slowly. That is called a non-uniform speed. Here see, 2 meter per second in 1 second only, 3 meter per second in 1 second, 4 meter per second is 1 second. This is called a non-uniform speed and uniform speed. Now we will discuss average speed. What is the formula of average speed? What is the formula of speed? See, speed is equals to d by t, means distance by time. But average speed is equals to total distance. Average speed is equals to total distance by total time taken. By basing on this formula, we will do one problem. Come on. Okay, see, now they didn't give the time, they gave the distance and speed. What is the formula? Speed is equals to distance by time. But they didn't give time, no. So what we should do? Time is equals to distance by speed. Okay, is equals to, what is the distance 1? 20. Now we should find out that time 1. They gave 1, 2, 2. So we should find out that T1. Means time 1. 20 kilometers by 60 kilometer per hour. Kilometer, units cancel. 0 cancel. 2 ones and 2 threes. So time 1 is equals to 1 by 3 hour. T1 is equals to 1 by 3 hour. And the T2. Speed is equals to distance by time. So time is equals to distance by speed. Okay, is equals to 40 kilometer by 80 kilometer per hour. Kilometer, units cancel, 0 cancel, 4 ones, 4 twos, is equals to 1 by 2 hour, equals to time 2 is equals to 1 by 2 hour. This is the answers. T1 is equals to 1 by 3 hour, T2 is equals to 1 by 2 hours. Now we will discuss the distance and displacement. What is distance and displacement? Distance means the total path that we travel from one place to another place. For example, see, this is a chalk piece. I throw it from here to here. This is the total path that the chalk piece travels from here to here. This is the distance. Distance is measured as S. Okay, this is the distance. But what is the displacement? Displacement is the shortest path that we travel from the initial point to the ending point. See, A, B, C, D. Okay, this is my house and this is my brother's house. Okay, how I should travel? Like this, the way is there, and like this, the way is there. But what is the shortest path? This is the shortest path. This is the shortest path now from C to B. Is a straight line. This is the displacement. Displacement is also measured by S, but not like as displacement. S arrow. Sometimes they will give as S only, but the sentence we should understand that is a displacement or distance. Okay, in this way we will do some problems. Now we will start from the circle. Okay, a person traveled from here to here. From where he started, there only he ended. Okay, the total path that he traveled. The total path he traveled. So what is the distance here? What is the gave? What they gave 5 meters. He traveled full no. So what is the distance? The distance is also 5 meters. And what is the displacement? What I told you, the shortest path that we travel from initial point to the final point. Means he started from here, he ended here only. So what is the displacement? 0. The displacement is 0. And we will do the second one. He traveled, see this is a point. He traveled from here to here. From here to A to B he traveled. What is the distance here? What they gave? 6 meters. So the distance is also 6 meters. But here see what is the shortest path here? A to B is a straight line. Means it is the shortest path. So the displacement is A to B. See they didn't give any value. So we should write A to B only. The distance is 6 meters. Displacement A to B. And the third sum is building sum. See here, this is one building now. Okay, in building from A to B it is 10 meters. Then A to B to C it is the same height no, see. Same height no. So here also 10 meters means here also 10 meters only. What they asked? A to B distance. Distance is 10 meters. B to C distance. Distance is 10 meters. B to C. Then C to D, what? Here is also same. Sorry. It was also same, and here is also same distance. Here is 20 centimeters means then here is also 20 centimeters. So the distance from C to D is, distance is 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters. The distance are completed. Now the displacement. What is the displacement from A to B? Okay, here no shortest path is there. So what they give? 10 meters. Displacement is also 10 meters. Here also no shortest path now. So same 10 meters from B to C also. And C to D also same 20 meters. So what is the distance here? Distance is equals to 20 centimeters and displacement is equals to 0. And our fourth sum is a straight line. A straight line carries 5 meters. The distance is 5 meters. The value they gave 5 meters. So the distance is also 5 meters. Okay, no shortest path here. And he doesn't travel from here and he ended it here. So what is the displacement here? The displacement is also 5 meters. The displacement and the distance are same in this sum. We already discussed about what is kinematics, types of mechanics, distance and displacement, speed, uniform and non-uniform speed, and average speed. Okay, I hope you understand this. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and share this video to your friends and classmates.